I've had a few people ask how you can reprogram your Formuler Z11 Pro remote. Now, this is the non-Bluetooth model. Now, using the apps, like before, you can program the colored keys and these 3 dot keys directly through your Formuler box. But if you want to reprogram keys using the IR function, that can also be done by setting this to mapping mode. But there's a few things I've discovered while I've played around with this. So first I'm going to show you how the process works, and then I'll talk about the restrictions for it. So in order to set your Formuler remote, and I have this one, but there are a few other ones from what I've tested that this will work for, we're going to use this TV key up here. Now you want to have your other remote handy. In this case, I'm using a Fire TV remote, and you're going to keep them pretty close together within like a few centimeters, almost touching if you can. We're going to hold down this TV button. You're going to see the flashing red button right there. I'm going to try to show you guys, flashing red, and eventually it will turn solid. Now, when it turns solid, it is waiting for you to click a key on the remote while it's solid. So you can see if we click this OK key right here, let me set it back up there. While it's solid, we click OK right here, it's going to start flashing. Now it's ready to map this key. Okay, I did swap remotes here because it wasn't working on the Fire TV one, but we're going to do this, hold it down, solid light, press OK, and now we're going to select our key here, hold it down. When you see that 3 blinking light, that means it's good. And now that key should be programmed for us. Now, here's a few of the restrictions that I've noticed. So again, process, I'm going to say this one more time. Hold down the TV button until the red light turns solid, just like this. Once the red light's solid, press the key you want to reprogram until it's blinking. Hold it close to the other device and hold down the learned key until you see those 3 blinks right there. You should have just saw it. And that is all you need to do to reprogram. Now, here is what I've noticed. You actually can't reprogram most of the keys on here. So let me show you, for example, here. I'm just going to put this back into pairing mode. We're going to put it back into pairing mode here. And from what I've learned from testing this, you actually can only program these 4 keys right here and these 2. When I try to click another one, like 2, you can see there's no red light flash. Let me show you again. Solid red light. Let's try the OK key. No blinking red light. Let's try that again. Hold it down. Solid red light, but this time we press the volume down right here. Okay, that actually works. So you can see that one actually went into pairing mode. So essentially, this is pretty restricted on what you can reprogram on this model. Now, that might change depending on if you have another model, but you guys let me know down below what luck you've had with this method, and if there's any other way that you can reprogram the IR functions on this remote. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe right down below.